Today, friends, we are going to talk about vowels. We are going to be listening to the vowel E and the vowel I in these words, and we are going to be talking about if they are short or long. So I want you to look and see what you notice on the screen about these words. I'll read them out loud. We have a picture of a bell, bell, left, tree, feet, fish, 6, pie, 9. Think about what you notice about the words under each picture. If you're not sure if you see a pattern, or if you're not sure what you notice, look at the vowel in each word and think about the sound that the vowel makes. Bell, left, left, tree, eat. If you said that you noticed the words under bell have an E in them, you are correct. They both have an E. Bell and left both have an E in the middle of the word. And as we know, E is a vowel, and E can make its long sound or short sound. Look at the E's in these words and think if they make their long or short sound. B, e, l, bell, left. The E in these words make their short sound. They say eh. Let's look at the next picture, tree. Under tree, we have the word tree and feet. What do you notice about those words? Both of those words have double E in them. The double E's in these words make their long sound. They say their name, E, e, tree, eat, feet. So over here, we have short E, and then we have long E. So I'm going to put short E. The words under bell have their short E sound, and the words under tree have long E. Excellent job, friends. Now let's look at the words with the I in them. Fish, 6. Pie, 9. What do you notice about those words? These words both have an I in the middle of them. Fish, 6. And both of the I's say I. If an I says I, is that short or long? The I in the word fish and 6 makes its short sound. That is a short I sound if it says I. Short I. Let's look at the words over here. Pie and 9. What do you notice about those words? They both have an I in them. Let's listen to the I in these words and see if they are short or long. P, I, n, ein. In both of these words, there is a silent E on the end. We do not hear the E when we say these words. The E also makes the I say its name. So these are long I's. Today, you are going to practice sorting words, and you're going to be listening to the vowel sound. You will tell me if the vowel sound is short or long. Today, we're focusing on the vowels E and I, and you're going to listen to see if they are short or long. For your assignment, there are words on the screen, and I want you to, at the top of your paper, write the words bell, tree, fish, and pie. Now, bell is a short E, so you could also write short E at the top of your paper. Tree is a long E, so you could also write long E. Fish is a short I. And pie is a long I. The I is long. So I want you to look at the words down here at the bottom. Eat, teeth, kite, ice, help, get, sick, egg, it, each, and slide. I want you to pick some of these words and on a piece of paper using a pencil, label the top short E, short I, long I, or if you would rather label it by these words, you may do that also. And I want you to pick some of these words and sort them where they go based off their vowel sound. Let's look at the word sick and do an example together. S, I, k. The I says I. It does not say its name. So I know that is a short I. So I would write the word sick under short I. And you guys will do this on your own with your paper and your pencil, and you will sort the words or write them under the column they belong. You may upload a picture of your work or text it to your teacher when you are done.